We've got the inflation numbers actually that have come out for the month of April. In fact, it's come in at 7.23% vis-a-vis the expectation that we were working with around that 6.5% mark. So that's a very sharp jump up, almost a 70 basis point jump compared to what we were expecting. The number we were working with was about 6.5. So 6.5 to about 6.8% was the rough approximation. This has come in at 7.23%. That's a big shocker to the system. We've got the primary articles inflation. In fact, that number has come in at about 9.71% vis-a-vis 9.62% that we had for the month of March. The fuel group inflation as well, that has seen a pickup once again. That number is at about 11%. So the fuel group seems to be a big culprit in the basic and the headline inflation number this time around, because we've got the fuel group inflation at 11.03% vis-a-vis 10.4% for the month of March. Do remember the expectations for the fuel group were around that 10.2% mark. So that's clearly almost 100 basis points higher than what the street was working with. The primary articles number as well, 9.8% was what was expected. 9.7% is what has come in. We are also waiting the number as far as the manufacturing products inflation is also concerned. That in fact has already come in at about 5.1%. It was expected that we'll see some easing, at least on the manufacturing products inflation side at least. So we were working with a number of about 4.7%. It's come in at about 5.1%. Food articles as well, that has been a big contributor this time around for the month of April. That is at about 10.5% vis-a-vis 9.9%. And you can see that sharp reaction actually in the equity markets as well to that extremely disappointing and disheartening number at that. We've got the Nifty, which was trading just about very flattish. In fact, it's given up all those gains that we'd witnessed from the morning. Currently at the lowest point of the day, 1/5% lower is where we are trading at for the Nifty. So 49.18 on the last count for the Nifty, and the Sensex as well, 21 points lower as we speak, 16,272 as we speak. So right now, those are some of the numbers that we are working with. We've got the February number actually, which has also been revised upwards. So that has been revised to 7.3% vis-a-vis 6.8% that we were working with. So now for February, the number that we have is about 7.3%.